You're not wasting your 20s because you're lazy. You're wasting them because you're stuck in a loop. And the worst part? It feels productive. This isn't a lazy phase. This is a mental loop, disguised as self-improvement. You plan more than you act. You consume more than you apply. You're obsessed with becoming your best self. But you're stuck in a cycle of preparing and never becoming. The 20s are not being wasted by partying. They're being wasted by perfectionism dressed as productivity. You think you're stuck because you lack discipline. But the truth is, you're afraid of failing publicly. So you stay in the planning phase, safe, hidden, comfortable. You binge self-help videos, highlight quotes, build Notion dashboards. It feels like you're making progress, but deep down, you know, you're avoiding the real work. Because the real work, it's messy, it's uncertain, and it doesn't always look aesthetic. Here's the shift no one talks about. To break the loop, you don't need a new routine. You need a new relationship with imperfection. You have to let yourself be bad at something. You have to let yourself begin ugly. Start before you're confident. Speak before you're ready. Post the thing even if it's not perfect. Clarity doesn't come before action, it comes from action. So, try this today. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, and ask, am I building or just preparing to build? That one question can expose everything. You'll feel resistance. That's good. That's your loop trying to protect itself. Your job now is to break it. Just one day. One day where you stop researching and start doing. One day where you publish, post, share, ask, show up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be real. That's how momentum begins. And once momentum starts, the loop starts to crack. Your 20s aren't a dress rehearsal. They're happening right now. You're not behind. You're just distracted. The version of you that's fully alive, they're waiting on the other side of one brave, messy action. So stop scrolling and start. Pick one thing. Do it today. Mess it up. Post it anyway. Break the loop before the loop breaks you.